Hello everyone, this is Chetan K. I'm studying in Section M, AIDS department. Today in this video, we'll be seeing about water conservation. The topics that are covered in this video are why water is important, household heroes in the sense conserving water at home, gardening, using water wisely in garden, beyond the home, community action, uses of water in agricultural field, industrial field, technologies advances that are useful for water requirement, policies and regulations governing the water resource, future of water, essence of life, why water matters. Water is essential. It sustains all life, supports ecosystem, drives economies, yet it's a finite precious resource. Water scarcity affects billions of people worldwide. Climatic change, pollution, and overuse of water can lead to a massive disasters. Water scarcity leads to food shortages, economic instabilities, social unrest, and conserving water is a crucial stability. Access to the clean water improves health, education, and overall quality of life. Conservation promotes more equitable world. Conserving water is everyone's duty. Every drop saved contributes to a larger effort, securing sustainable future for generations. Conserving water at home. Fix leak faults, install low flow shower heads and toilets, and take care of shorter showers. These small changes add up quickly. Wash full loads laundry and use water efficient settings. Consider upgrading a water saving washing machine. Use dishwasher efficiently. Scrape plates instead of rinsing. And collect water while waiting it to heat up. Water lawns sparingly. Use broom instead of a hose to clean. And collect rainwater for gardening. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth or shaving. Educate your family and friends about water conservation. Using water wisely in gardening. Choose native plants that are adaptive to your local climate and require water that not non-native species. Use drip irrigation soak hoses to deliver water directly into the plant roots, minimizing water loss through evaporation. Water your garden early in the morning and late in the evening to reduce the loss of water due to evaporation. Apply much around plants to retain moisture in the soil and suppress weed growth, reducing the need of watering again. Collect rainwater in barrels or tanks to use for watering your garden, reducing your reliance of municipal water sources. Community action. Advocate for water saving policies and initiatives in your community. Support local organizations working for water conservation. Share information about water conservation with your friends, family, and neighbor. Raise awareness about importance of water saving. Volunteer for local rivers and lakes cleanup events. Help remove pollution and debris that can contaminate water resources. Promote water conservation practices in your workplace. Encourage colleagues to save water in the office and restrooms. Participate in local resource planning and voice your concerns and support sustainable water management strategies. Agricultural innovation. Farming for the future. Using of water in farming is a very important source. Implement drip irrigation and other water efficient technologies to maintain water usage in agriculture. Choose drought plants that require less water. Rotate crops to improve soil health and water retention. Practice conservation tillage to reduce soil erosion and improve water infiltration. Use cover crops to protect soil and retain moisture. Employ precious agriculture techniques to optimize water use based on soil conditions and crop needs. Recycle agricultural wastewater for irrigation purpose, reducing the demand of freshwater resource. Treatment water before using. Industrial efficiency, saving water in industry, use of water in all industrial works. Improve industrial process to reduce water usage, implant closed loop systems to recycle water within the facility, use air cooled and closed loop control systems to minimize water consumption, regularly maintain and inspect cooling towers, conduct regular water audits to identify areas where water can be saved, monitor water usage and track progress over time. Time employees, train employees and water conservation practice. Encourage them to report leaks and implement water saving measures. Collaborate with other business to start best practices for water conservation. Participate in industrial wide water saving initiatives. Technological advances, innovation in water management. As now we know, we are very much further in technology. We can use this as an advantage for saving water in multiple purpose. For example, utilize water irrigation system that adjust watering schedules based on weather conditions and soil moisture levels. This can decrease the water flow and also increase the consumption of water. Implant advanced leak detection technologies to identify repair water leaks in distribution systems, where if there is a water leak in any of the detection found, then we can immediately save the water that is being wasted. By this, a small changes brought up can lead to a massive change. Use sensors and data analytical to monitor water usage and identify areas improvement, track water quality in real time. This also helps very much as using sensors and data analytical monitors can decrease the loss of water loss and increase the savings of water. Explore the essential technologies to convert seawater into fresh water. By this, a lot of water can be saved and new resources which come up can also use the same water. Converting as we are not lacking behind by the seawater, there are too much of seawater left to use. Develop advanced water purification methods to treat wastewater and make it safe to reuse. Test frequently and maintain water quality. Maintaining water quality is also very much important for a human life as water plays an important role in human life. Advanced purification methods, the water that is wasted out by the purification purifier can be used for gardening also, where the water saved for the gardening also be reduced. Future of water, our commitment, what are we committed to, and everything. Invest in water infrastructure and research to improve water management practice, supports innovation in water conservation technology. Many people in foreign, the rich people have already invested in water, for example buying a large land that has a lake in it. Faster collaboration among government, business, and communities to address water challenges. Share knowledge and resources. Sharing knowledge about water can bring up a massive change that can conserve a lot of water and can also help the future generations. Educate future generations about the importance of water conservation. Incorporate water education into school curricula. Educating the younger generation right now is very important as they will be the future of the current, and the more they get the knowledge about this, the better for their future also. Develop comprehensive water management plans that consider a long term impact of climate change and population growth. In a massive growth of population and changes in climate like this, impact in the long term affects very badly if water not conserved today. Take action now to conserve water and protect our water resources. The action that we take now is very much important as if we ignore now, our future generation can might end up in a scarcity of water. Every drop counts towards a sustainable future for all. By this, I'm ending my presentation. Thank you.